This is morning, Thursday morning, January 27, January 28, January 28. And I'm actually trying to experiment here. I'm setting up my Pro Tools. I found out Studio One has too many glitches in it for to work with. Well, I probably just don't know how to hook it up, but like I said, I got my head wrapped around the operation of the Machina and the recording. I can figure out how to do the tracks. No, I didn't know I could do that. And what I'm doing here is I got piano set up in I had the piano set up in Pro Tools. Now, I haven't arranged the windows yet for the Machina. Say, for instance, I don't know if you can see, if I was going to do piano, I would set this up so I can see the window, record window, my, what do they call this? The edit window. I will put that right here, nice and neat. And then I will record. I would take my mixer and slide it over here. Actually, we'll have to be able to see more than one. I would turn off here's how I would do this. Unlike Pro Tools, I would turn off, I would have my piano tracks showing. I have my piano in multi-mode here. And let me show you piano. I would have pull up my Machina. I record my piano part like this. And I have all my pianos. That's not piano. That's not piano. I hope this is going to work. I'll pull up my piano in Machina. I have the bass showing now. I will go to pads. That's not, I accidentally named the wrong one. Well, I'm not quite ready to show you this right now. Let's see. I have the wrong one named. In the machine it says bass right here, but on the screen it says, and it's not changing. Like I said, this is not supposed to work like this. I have my piano. Let me see if it'll show up inside. You know what? I do have another Machina. I do have Machina opened up. Maybe if I close it. So I have the Machina running in the background. Let me close it, see what happens. Close it. Don't save. Now let's see. It's still on here. Okay. Piano. Well, I haven't got all the bugs out, but I thought I would show you guys piano. And it should be coming up right here. Piano. First of all, I have it named wrong. Let's see. I have the bass in it. Well, I'm not quite ready to show you guys this yet. Ouch. But it's a good morning anyway. It's a good morning anyway. And I'm going to go ahead and try to figure this out. You know, what's it going to hurt? What's it going to hurt to show who's ever my one customer, my one watcher. Yeah, let me try turning this off and turn it back on. See if it hook up right with my Pro Tools. No, it still has the bass in there. Let me go to piano and see what happens. Piano grandeur. I already have all the pianos in there. I copied and pasted them all. Yeah, that's the one piano. No, it's not. It's not controlling the. It's not talking to the. I had it working a minute ago. Yeah, I had it working. Had it working. Pads. Like I said, this is I'm actually experimenting how to do this with. Let me turn this one on. I'm actually experimenting. I know this isn't supposed to work like this. It's not supposed to work like this, but what's it going to hurt? You know what? I want to save this, open it, and close it back up. Let's see if I can. Yeah, I'm going to close it. Sign out of Pro Tools and see if what happens if I open it back up. Oh, something bit me on my foot. Something bit me on my foot. Something was in my sock and bit me. Oh, my skin is so sensitive, like mites. You know, dust mites. I'm sensitive to dust. Just open up Pro Tools and see what happens. See if it open up Machina. Thought I'd just give you guys a ring anyway. Holler to see who was up this early. It's not really early. What time is 9 o'clock? Just thinking about, you know, if I did go viral all of a sudden and people started watching me, would I have anything worth people watching? This is the last one I just say. Yeah, I should have changed the name of it too before I specify. Every time I do something, I need to name it according to what I'm actually using. Like I said, this is actually just experimenting. I'm just trying to see how I can get this stuff working, even though people don't use it that way. I'm going to use it, see if I can get it working what's the way it's comfortable for me to use. And let's see what happens when this opens up. Okay. All right. It looks like it's talking. It was talking for a minute. Piano. Whoop, nope. It's not doing anything. Let me see what happens when I open up maybe I have to have Machina open, set it up within Machina. Okay. Click on Machina. I had a project already in here. Let me open up one of the projects. You know, you get disgusted sometimes when patience. Sometimes it's going to take a long time to get something going. You can look back on it. That's one thing I need to work on, is my patience. But if I was in a hurry, I would go ahead and just start recording. You know what? I need to put this on the side, put this on the back burner, put this machine on the back burner. And like I said, I was going to use it as standalone, actually. Use it as standalone. But, you know, it's worth a try anyway. Things are taking forever to open. Horns. I got large sessions here. Something definitely bit me on my foot. Take it forever. Anybody? Let me see who's here. Stole my one regular. Take it forever to open. Performance horns. I know it. I got 16 horns in here. I got 16 of each one. That's why it's taking so long. I wonder if it's loading each one. On cancel. Yeah, it's loading all of those horns. You know what? I'm just going to go back and, yeah, it's loading everything. I'm going to close my Pro Tools out. Save this for a project by itself when I use that. I'll take a week of trying to learn how to do that. I'm not even going to save that. Oh, shoot, I should have saved it. Close that. And I'm just going to stick with Machina for a minute. Yeah, stick with Machina for a minute. See what's running. Pro Tools quit. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just going to stick with Machina for a minute. And I think I messed up here. Yeah. The Machina don't want to open now. See what I can force quit. Yeah, Machina's acting up. Force quit this. You know, when you experimenting, it takes longer to get started, but I hate to bore you guys with this, but this, like I said, this is a reality show. And if I had 1 million people watching, would I still do the same thing? I don't know. I'm still being myself, though. If it was 1 million people watching, would I still be myself? If a tree falls in the jungle, there's no one there to hear it. Is it still make a sound? I don't know. It's going to take forever to open. I'm going to go ahead and say goodbye to you guys and check you guys out later when I get something set up. Okay? When I get something set up, I come back and holler. Holler back. I'll holler at you guys later. I'm going to go ahead and sign off of YouTube. See ya. Like I said, sometimes the stuff takes a little while for it to get used to. So I ain't going to bore you with it. I'll just show you the finished product. So I'm out. Peace and hair grease. Peace and roast beef.